Golden light floods the chicken farm. A cascade of curly hair peeks from under Frizia's bright hat as she skips joyfully. The air vibrates with the cheerful clucking of chickens, a symphony of farm life under the warm, sunny sky. The farm basks in idyllic morning light, promising a day of simple joys and rustic beauty. Frizia's laughter blends with the sounds of the farm, painting a portrait of youthful exuberance. Frizia throws open the weathered door. A burst of feathers and frantic clucking fills the chicken house. Chickens, black, brown, white, speckled, surge around her, a whirlwind of flapping wings. She is immediately enveloped, lost in the chaotic embrace of her feathered friends. "Good morning, girls!" Frizia greets the flock, her voice a warm sound amid the noise. Sunlight streams in as the chickens flutter around her, a vibrant dance of life and affection. Frizia strides through the chicken farm, scattering grains with rhythmic grace, the air alive with clucking. The chickens peck eagerly, a flurry of feathers and beaks focused on Frizia's generosity. She gently checks the nesting boxes, her touch light as she seeks hidden treasures. Her fingers probe beneath the straw, a tender search for nature's bounty. Fresh eggs of all sizes gleam, a testament to Frizia's nurturing care. The scene radiates the simple joy of life, sustained by Frizia's gentle hand. In the chicken house, Frizia finds eggs starting to crack, a sign of new beginnings. Fluffy yellow chicks emerge, their chirps filling the cozy corner. Tiny chicks wobble on unsteady legs, exploring their new world. Witnessing the wonder of new life, I feel my heart melt with tenderness. Each chick's first steps are a victory. The chicken house is filled with the gentle sounds of hatching. Under the vast sky, Frizia watches her chicks, now young hens and roosters, explore the endless green. They roam freely, their playful antics a vibrant dance across the grassy fields. Beaks peck and claws scratch as they hunt for hidden worms, a feast beneath the sun. The young chickens nibble tenderly on vegetables, a symphony of life and growth under Frizia's watch. A chase erupts, feathers fluttering in the wind as the chickens playfully pursue each other. Frizia's nurturing gaze follows them, a silent promise of protection and care. The sunset bathes the chicken farm in a warm golden glow, painting the sky with vibrant strokes of orange and soft pink. Frizia kneels gently among her flock, her silhouette a dark contrast against the radiant sunset. She tenderly strokes the soft feathers of her chickens, a peaceful moment captured in the fading light. "Good night, my little feather babies," Frizia whispers, her voice soft and caring. A chorus of gentle cluck-cluck good night responds as the chickens settle in for the night.